Hello, hello! I'm in front of Canopy by Hilton Hotel in Seef, Dubai. It's a four-star hotel, mostly for conference, but they also have a pool, gym, etc. I will show you everything, so let's go inside and check in. And this is the reception slash lobby. It's really beautiful. Wow. Rad is here as well, and there is a bar behind the reception. I will show you. They have some books if you want to read, or you can just chill out here. And here is the bar. They do have a happy hour from 5. Oh no, it's actually from 7 till midnight. It's a really long happy hour.
Alright guys, so let me show you around the room. When you enter the room, on your right you have the minibar station. Let's open it. There is an espresso coffee machine, some coffee mugs, tea, coffee, milk, and also a kettle, which is nice and clean. Up here you have some wine glasses. This looks like an ice bucket. When you get your ice for your drinks, it stays cool for a bit longer. And this machine seems to be a juicer. Don't know, can't really tell you. There is a big minibar. Smack, which is a good brand for the kitchen appliances. We received some cake, and you have there complimentary water only, nothing else, no drinks, fizzy drinks, no alcohol. Let's carry on to the living room. There is a small bin on your right hand, some funky chairs, a big smart TV, which is like 55 inches I believe. There is a huge window overlooking the Dubai Creek. That's some nice view. You can see the Dubai Creek in the distance. We've been actually complimentary upgraded as Diamond Hilton members. We booked the lowest category room and received this lovely highest category suite. Over the window you can see two different curtains. It looks like this one is for the night, you can see through it, but the second one looks like a day curtain because it lets some light in. I think that's because of the strong sun outside. Now there is a coffee table, a huge sofa, which is really comfy, accommodates 2 people just lying down. Some funky lights, pictures, signs. Over here there is a dining table. We received some fruit bowl, some extra water with the glasses, and you can actually check your temperature here, get the AC off and on, and regulate the lighting as well in the dining area, living area, and for the relax scene, that's for the evening. When you go to the living room, there is a big sliding door. It is quite heavy. good. A huge and comfy bed with a really good soft mattress. Another TV, this might be like 42 inches. And next to your bed you have a phone, and it's a quite funny one. That's the old style. I still remember these when my grandma had it, and they actually work. I did dial 0 the other day, and I got connected to the reception. There is also the alarm clock, some extra numbers if you want to phone internationally or locally. Another lighting regulation, the USB-C, HDMI, Bluetooth, and the electric sockets also behind the bed. And a huge headboard, which is really soft so you don't hit your head if you have a nightmare. Now behind the bed there is some storage space. I like how the iron and the iron board are both outside, so it doesn't take any space in the cupboards. We got unpacked already because we arrived yesterday, and there are some huge mirrors next to it. Inside there are some money and the hairdryer and a safe and some extra storage space on the right hand side. Again, the AC regulation and lighting, and this is a huge bathroom which is kind of funky style. It's a really nice one, not a regular one. The bathtub is huge, not used so far, but we've got 4 more days, so we'll definitely check that for you. And the brand of the amenities is Apotheke from Brooklyn, New York, which is the plant-based brand. Looks like with some charcoal. 4 bath towels, 4 hand towels, hanging on some gymnastic stuff. Let's not use it. And the sinks are really big. They look like some big flower pots to me, but they are funny. Really deep. And the amenities you receive here, it's a shaving kit, 2 dental kits, a comb, vanity kit, and a shower cup. Then you have one more toilet. Nothing to see there. It's a normal toilet. And a huge shower. Really nice one. I've been already to the swimming pool, so this is some useful feature in many bathrooms or showers. And you can hang your wet swim costumes. You can adjust it over here, and it's very useful. Another look at the big bed and the living room. It's a really good size room with all the extras.
Here is the pool on the 7th floor. I got actually stopped by lifeguard. You are not allowed to record with camera, so this is on my phone. Hopefully the quality is going to be good. The view is stunning. I love it. Beautiful. you can have a drink here. It's a happy hour from 5 till 7, and all these beds. Beautiful. I'm going to check the gym. It's this way. They also have a spa here if you want. This is the gym. Wow. The best part is the view. Wow, I love it. That's stunning. Wow. A really good gym actually. For 4-star hotel, definitely perfect. Wow. Oh. But I'm obsessed with the view. Yeah, so over there is all Dubai. So it's really like 10 minutes walk, no longer. We are leaving the Canopy Hotel by Hilton and I'll see, but the stay was really good. Do you agree?
Absolutely. It was amazing. The staff members were an asset to this property. Special shout out to Ben, Mr. Gigi, Ibrahim, Mr. Elias from the bar at the pool, and Sarah at the check-in. And we had a big surprise in the room. We've been also upgraded as the Diamond Hilton members.
Yeah, so this is not a complimentary stay, we paid for that, but yeah, we got upgraded, and as my husband said, the staff member here are amazing, so thank you for making our stay memorable, and we will definitely come here again. Price point is actually not that expensive because it's off season. We paid around £40, I think, with complimentary breakfast, because as a Diamond member you get a complimentary breakfast. Yeah, and I think it's really reasonable. As I said, it's most like business hotel. It's not near to the beach, but it's really nice area, really quiet.
Yeah, we've seen many families around as well, and some big groups of people from China, Japan, etc. So I'm sure they come for the holidays or if they visit Dubai. But as I said, yeah, families as well.
That's it from today's staycation. Hopefully I will see you again with another adventure. Bye bye.